Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about comparison operators and details in Python. Let's start. The first operator here is equal. This operator checks if the value of two brands is equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Like this, A equal B. This won't give it us true because A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Okay. Not equal, check if the value of two brands is equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true. Like this. If A not equal B, this will give us true because A not equal B. This operator here check if the value of two brands is equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true. This like not equal. These two operators are the same. This operator here check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. If I said here A bigger than or greater than B, this won't true because B is 20 and this is bigger than 10. And this operator here check if the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Like this, A smaller than or less than B, this is true. Okay. This operator right here check if the value of left operand is greater than or equal. The only difference is or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. If I said here A is greater than or equal B, this will give us false because there is no equality between A and B. And here this operator check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Let's try this in our Python shell. I said here A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. And I said here A equal B. This will give us false because the value of A not the value of B. Okay. And if I said A not equal B, this will give us true because A not equal B. And if I said A not equal B, here Python does not know this operator. Maybe this operator is in Python 2, not on Python 3. Let's try another one. If I said A bigger than or greater than B, this will give us false because A was 10 and B was 20. And if I said here A is less than or smaller than B, this will give us true. Okay. And if I said A greater than or equal B, sorry about this space here, this will give us false. And if I said A is less than or equal B, this will give us true because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. Okay. In the next video, we will talk about assignment operators and details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.